Hey guys, it's Mike here with another video. Today we're going to be working on a VIZIO D40F-G9. I'm going to be showing you how to remove the one board that's in there. And as always, if you have any comments or questions, or if you need to place an order, give us a call at 1-800-203-7484 and let's get into it. All right folks, well first things first, we've just got some screws to remove. We've got two on the left hand side here. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 across the bottom, 3 across the top, 2 more on the right hand side, and then 1 here in the middle of your inputs, and then 1 over here by the power plug. So what we're gonna do is be very careful with this, because this back plate is actually connected to the inside of the TV by a little cord here on the side, which you'll see shortly. So once you get these screws out, just be very gentle with it and just watch what I do here. All right, and once we have all these screws removed, we're ready to remove this back housing. First thing you want to do is just kind of lift up, and this top piece you want to fold back towards you, very slowly and gently, because down here is actually where it's going to be attached at with that little wire. So once we lift up there, we're just going to fold it back very slowly. Your speaker might come disconnected, but that'll be just fine. It's just held on by some rubber stoppers. But if you take a look down here, you're gonna see this cord is what is attached to the back of the paneling here. If you just follow that cable all the way through this little strip of tape underneath this little shield, you'll actually see it connect to the back panel here. What you essentially wanna do with this, make sure you disconnect it from this board first. We're just gonna pinch it at the top to release that latch and then just pull it out that direction. So pinch and pull, that is done and out of the way. And to kind of make your life a little bit easier to get this whole paneling off of here, just peel back this tape to free up this little cord. Shimmy it on through underneath of this little guy here. And that is our back paneling. All right, now that we've got the back paneling off, as you can see on the inside of this television, it's just gonna be one board. It's your power supply, main board, and T-Con all in one. We've just got a handful of clips here on the sides we need to release with those cablings, a ribbon cable here, and then we've just got some screws here along the outside of the board, and then 2 screws here holding this plastic shielding down. For those, you don't want to use a drill. For these, you're going to want to use a #1 Phillips head screwdriver to get those out so you don't strip them. So all right, let's get into it. First things first, remove all of these cables, just pinch and pull out. Looks like on pretty well all of these. Just pinch this one down as well, pull it straight out. This one, pinch it to release, and pull this one straight up. This right here is our ribbon cable. As always, get underneath of that with your fingernail, lift up that flap, and pull this ribbon on out of here. Power clip here, pinch it, pull out. Up top, pinch it, pull out. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws holding the board here. So let's get those pulled out here. All right, and then once those are removed, like I'd mentioned, you just want to get one of these Phillips head #1 screwdrivers here, and we'll just take these out, and that should be good to go. As always, whenever you're removing boards out of a television, just be sure to be careful. There may or may not be adhesive on the back of your board. If there is, it is going to give you some little bit of grief pulling it out there, but on the whole, it should be just fine. So let's just get these 2 little guys out of here. And that should be it for this particular unit. Make sure everything's out of the way. And lift up, doesn't look like there's any resistance, and this should just fall right off of that. That'll be just fine. And it does not look like we have any sort of adhesive holding it back. So it looks like we're good to go on that one. All right, and as you saw, it was a pretty simple removal video. If you guys don't mind, just go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Always keep in mind, if you subscribe to our channel, your first order will be qualified for 20% off. Thanks, and have a good day.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.